How's this going?
So.
So.
Fighting me.
Pushing back, is it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Right, good afternoon everyone. It's the afternoon here. Been a good week this week so far. Lots to do, things to get on with. We picked up another MX5 this week as well to sell. Let's have a quick look. Let's turn it around. So we picked that up yesterday. A nice. It's got some mods on it which we're going to remove. I'll probably do a separate video on this. It's a bit windy, so excuse if there's any wind noise, but yeah, we'll probably remove the wheels, wing mirrors. I think we're going to take the screen out and paint the surround and a few other bits and pieces, but generally the reason why we got it is it's actually quite a clean car underneath. It's not too bad. It's not going to be at the high end of it, but it's going to probably be in the bracket of between maybe 3.5 or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but it depends how far we go with the bits and pieces on it. Let's have a quick look in the car park, see what's here. I think this Mark 1 is going out this Saturday. This is one that we had a lot of works on. Yeah, that one's definitely going out Saturday. This one's in the process. This is the one that I did a shot on last week. Got some bits and pieces to do on it. This one has had sills done on it and it's waiting a machine polish. That Mark 2, the turbo one's done. That's going on Saturday. This one has had sills and I think it just needs a clean, and that one's going out. So yeah, that's what's going on in the car park. Let's go and see what the lads are up to this week, what they're up to right now. Do 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 do. Hi Roy.
What?
Yeah, good. How's this going?
So.
So.
Fighting me.
Pushing back, is it?
Yeah, a little bit. It's quite bad actually. So, yeah, it came in for. This one's coming for its inner and outer sills and an arch this side. The other side is just for the inner and outer sill, but turns out it's the inner upright, so it's remade. I've had to do that. I've had to cut this good section out, clean that up before I can weld that back in. This is all being remade.
I was a bit slow on the camera uptake then.
Oh, was you?
Yeah, I just pointed that. I said, yeah, you went across and I was still here.
So inner sill section cut to the shape I want it, and I shall trim the car to this. Got to put the sill drains in.
Notice that's some serious curbage on the bottom of that door, isn't it?
Yes.
It's actually, is that just rust or do you think it's worn away?
Yeah, it has actually worn away. It's rot and it's worn away. Yeah. That's what's causing damage to the yeah, so this is the inner panel we're welding in. They don't come with the drain holes already in. It comes with them marked. So we have to straighten this lip out and then we grind the half moon out there. So you get your sill drain.
So you can poke your cable tie up there or whatever sill unblocking designated device that you may have.
You can poke what you want at the hole, it's fine.
You've gone all dark.
All dark. Let's go the other side. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is underneath. rear jacking point box sections. But it's
Is that a new full sill end plate in there as well?
yeah, new full sill plate. It's clamped in place, marked up where all the spot welds going. Take it off, clean up where the spot welds are going and weld it in. On the other side, pretty much the same story. So I've had to cut this out, clean all this up. For this one, we've got to go and weld in here as well.
Yeah, so this is gone. So this is, you can shine the torch here. So that's your seat belt and mounting point. So when you go to the MOT station and you get a fail in terms of rust in seat belt anchorage, that's what they're referring to.
It's within 30 centimetres.
It's within 30 centimetres of that. So when they say seatbelt anchorage, that's what they're referring to.
Yeah, so we shall plate this section and then I can start rebuilding this, but again I've had to cut out a good section here, clean up, just so I can clean this up. And I shall remake this section here, again this other side. It's just basically the same as the other side. I won't be doing the full sill plate because it's only for sill. So
yeah,
the arches have been done. So I shall make
just
this
do the lower
up.
part.
Yeah, I'll make that up. And then make everything else up. As you do. And then a full service. Full unsill.
Same car, same stuff?
Same car.
No, different cars, same stuff. That's what I meant.
The last one was a full sills.
Yeah, it was one.
Yeah, that's done now. Well, hopefully passes MOT.
Right. Thanks, Roy. Let's go and annoy Ashlee. Take it around here. Do.
Hello.
Hi, Ash. How's this going?
Alright.
Roy's coffee cup.
Do you want anything or
Yeah.
what?
You're so camera shy, aren't you? Right, what's happening then?
No. You're standing here with a camera in my face and
That's not helping the camera, that one.
you're not helping the camera.
I am holding it. So what have you been doing then? Have you got round your issue here?
Slowly getting there. Still going to do a bit more tweaking.
I think you've cut your outer panel a little bit short here, Ash. I don't know.
I've still got more to cut out. That hole's. I've still got more to make, more to chop.
Come on, explain yourself.
Well, rebuilding the inner arch.
What inner arch?
Well, that is the point.
My camera was off today. I'm being well off. So this is French rust, isn't it?
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's quite rusty. Ashlee's going to be having to cut all that out.
There's a nice dotted line going to be cutting. If you look in there.
Where?
There's a dotted line I've done.
Oh yeah. I don't know if the viewers can pick that up, but there is a dotted line that goes all the way back. It's going to be fun for you.
Yeah.
So you got your inner seal on.
Yeah.
Rust went quite high in the door shut, didn't it?
Yeah.
All the way up there. What are you going to do about that?
Well, I'm just going to fix it with some welding grease.
What milk are you going to put in there?
Oh, I was thinking some old Coke cans, maybe.
Coke?
Yeah, Coke.
Not Pepsi?
No, not Pepsi. Coke on the Coke wars.
So what are you going to do there then? Because your panel doesn't go high enough, does it?
Oh, I'll just make something. Same as I did the other side.
You're being... my apologies for Ashlee this morning. He's being... what's the word?
It's 3:15, so it's definitely not the morning.
Right.
Cool. It's half 2 actually.
I'm going then.
Hi, Chris.
I'll explain what he's been doing this side. There we go. That side's done. You just need this to look like that, the other side.
Yeah, I did this.
You want this on the other side, don't you?
Well, no, it should be the wrong way round.
No, that's what you want. This on the other side. I know what I mean.
You don't know what you're on about.
It's been a long day. Right.
Hello.
Right, Jim.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm doing the dreaded shock bolts.
Always a bit hard to get to. So Jim is installing Meister R's onto this very nice Velocity Red Mark 1. Belongs to a customer that's been with us for, well, I think from day one really. He knew Gareth. But yes, installing Meister R's, which I have in the box here. They come very nicely packaged, Meister R's. I do like them. And as you can see, there we go. They are a nice looking shock. So this is how they come out of the box. Top mounts. Look at that. Pre-set up. Height adjustables from the body. I'm hoping that, I think I'm going to be fitting a set of these to mine. Maybe in the coming months. So Tom, who owns this car, does a lot of rallies, and he was going to go, he's got Connie's on his car at the moment, but the ride height's dropped, the spring's quite old, and he was umming and ahhing whether or not just to replace the shocks, go with a different shock, it's a different spring, keep the shocks. But I sort of, with doing lots of rallies that he does, he might do an on-road one, an off-road one, and the Meister R's are going to give him that adjustment. So if he's got an off-road, when I say off-road, gravelly, rough terrain sort of type of road, he can quite easily raise the height of the car a little bit by not worrying too much about moving the preload on the spring, and adjust his damper on the shock. So, you know, you can do an off-road section in comfort. So that's the reason why he's going to be going for him. Are you doing anything else on this while we're fitting the suspension?
I don't think so. Not that I know of.
So it's just Meister R's.
Set them up at the right height.
Mr. R's. That's what we call them. Okay.
Nothing that exciting, I'm afraid.
No. See you, Jim. Right, that's it for this weekly workshop update. Sorry about the camera work. It's a bit off today. But yeah, we'll get another one done next week. See you then. Bye bye. So I've just sat down, come into the office to see Gareth.
Hello.
And I just realised I didn't run through with you guys what I was doing on my ramp. So I'm going to go back in the workshop. It's not unlike me to forget things, isn't it, Gareth?
Couldn't get enough, did you?
Hey?
Couldn't get enough.
No, I forgot something. But it's party mode's already engaged. So on my ramp, I have been doing this Mark 1, which came in for just sills, and it didn't look too bad to begin with. The driver's side came in and it had a hole just here, and I could see that the inner seal was gone and the outer panel was gone, but inside looked really good. And this side actually looked very good. It had hardly any rust coming up at the bottoms, at the top here, just having a couple of brown stains. It was all original, and once I cut it open, it was far worse than the other side. So I've done inner sill. I've had to replace, I don't think you can see in there, the upright in there. One of the bits which Roy spoke about, which is sort of just in line, sort of here inside, and then I've just literally, just before the video, I've done the rear jacking point, and I've just got a couple of bits here, this lower sill end plate, and then I can get the outer panel on. And then the driver's side, quite simple really, just get the inner sill back on, panel, and then yeah, and get that one knocked out. So completely forgot about what I was doing on my ramp. But okay, so again, yeah, I don't forget things, Jim. I got a mind like a sieve. I don't forget things, they just drop out. Okay, so second time around. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you on the next video.